Good morning, everyone. Have a nice day. I'm fine and hope the same for you. Yesterday, we have learned about capital A. Okay? Do you remember the writing of capital A? Yes, okay. We have learned about capital A. Today, I will tell you how to write small a, the baby A. How to write small a. Okay? I have drawn four lines here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. But we will write small a in center two lines. Okay? We will write small a in center two lines. Okay? Small a start from the middle and make a curve. Start from the middle and make a curve. Go to the middle and draw a small standing line downwards with a small curve at the bottom. Okay? Look at the board carefully. You have to start from the middle and make a curve like this. Okay? Half a circle. Okay? Small a, start from the middle and make a curve. Go to the middle and draw a standing line, small standing line downwards. Small standing line downwards with a small curve at the bottom. Okay? Once again. Small a. Start from the middle. In center two lines you have to write small a and make a curve. Okay? First of all you have to draw like this. Then go to the middle and draw a small standing line downwards with a small curve at the bottom. Okay? Now you have to practice at your home of small a. You have to write in your rough registers 2 pages of small a. Okay? Good.